Welcome to Agra. So these are the Taj Mahal gardens. We're heading toward the Taj Mahal right now. I'm gonna have to turn off the mic because that's policy, so this part of the shoot is probably gonna be silent.
From some distance. Wait a minute. Right after this, put your GoPro in your pocket.
Here we are right at the center. Man, we're just like so close to it. This is amazing.
Taj Mahal and grave of Taj Mahal photography.
Yep. And I gotta get as much in as I can while I'm out here. So across the river, there's the foundation of a different Taj Mahal that was never built, that was supposed to be built of black marble. So I still don't have my microphone back yet, but welcome to the Itmud-ud-Dawla tomb. Also called the Mini Taj Mahal. It was the first building the Mughals built in Agra, and it's the tomb of the grandparents of Shah Jahan. It looks a little bit like a Buddhist temple, because apparently at the time, there still was a heavy Buddhist presence in this area, and many Buddhist architects and workers worked on the monument. So I wasn't allowed to film inside the Taj Mahal, but there were screens like this, but infinitely more fine, made entirely of marble, and it was breathtaking.
I see this is all the beautiful painting or ceiling, and it's the same shape of the diamond. It's called diamond. All this, they love this.
Now defunct drainage system was probably really beautiful back in the day. Next up, the Agra Fort. In the welcome courtyard. So here's where the public would meet the emperor, and it was also the final court of appeals. According to my guide here, the only penalty the emperor would mete out was death. So if you got here, you were either going home vindicated or dead. And here's the tower where Shah Jahan spent his final days as a prisoner of his own son. You can just see through that little crack the Taj Mahal. Must have been sad to see it finished while he was a prisoner here. And here's the view from the Jahanara Palace. Oops, sorry. Sort of a cross between the Hindu and the Muslim idea, where you wanted to have animals like elephants and birds, but you didn't want to directly depict them, so sort of early impressionism. Hello again. It is 9 p.m. This garland is starting to look a little bit ratty, and I'm finally back at the hotel. I had a 2-hour journey there, a 2-hour journey back, and wow, did I see a lot of things. I have a couple comments. First, I wish I could have filmed the inside of the Taj Mahal. The marble grillwork and just the incredibly detailed inlay in there, it staggers the mind how somebody could make something so fine and so delicate out of marble. I wish that I could have taken some video, but it was very strictly prohibited and there were guards watching. I did manage to get quite a bit of video on the outside, even though that's also supposedly against the rules. But I wasn't supposed to have a microphone, and I did anyway. So yeah, one can get away with it, but one has to be very discreet. The second thing is, in addition to the monuments, we also stopped by some jewelers, and we stopped by also the marble inlay family. It's the same family that apparently did a lot of the inlay for the Taj Mahal. They're still operational, though their numbers are dwindling. So I supported those businesses and bought a bunch of unnecessary stuff. And in solidarity for doing that, they actually gave me this wonderful onyx Om bracelet. And yeah, so maybe in the future, some of that stuff might show up in some of these videos. I was able to get my mom a necklace for Christmas using the unique star ruby that shows up in Agra, so I hope she really likes that. And yeah, so all in all, a great trip. Tomorrow's my last day in Delhi, so we're gonna go see some Hindu temples, and then we're gonna call it a day. So until then, good night.